Morning. So we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. We bought this thing pretty much to clean, like your fan. You clean webs and so webs. Fan, walls, as a brush you could clean, around light bulbs, around fixtures. This is for like a fan. You could bend it. All of them I think you could bend it. Now this is flat, so this I guess is like a window or something. You could do a window. This is definitely for a fan. And a duster. All that pollen building up on the windows. So Amazon, real cheap. And we have a pole, extend the pole. See, I don't know how long it is, but should be long enough to get more ceilings. Yeah, so it's now 6:30 in the morning. We'll get ready to head out to the salon, finish up some work down there. We finished painted all 4 walls. We'll get going on that. See you in a few. Alright guys, still for sale. Then still here. Still for sale. Alright, so let's see what's going on outside. Pretty much, see, the lawn is looking good. It's coming along. I don't know why there's a patch right there. There's a little square patch right there. I think it's just a different type of grass they put. Grass is new, so it's gonna, they just lay it down. You see that, those square patches, so it's still catching. Nice morning. Sun's coming out today, so should be a good day. Well, this morning we didn't have no tea. We just have hot water, no sugar, no tea, mostly water every morning. Yeah, so good morning. Let's get it rolling. As far as the van, the battery went dead yesterday. For some reason it just went dead. All of a sudden it just went dead. Pretty much we have to replace it. I did a load test on it. The battery is no good. Nothing is draining it. It just not stop holding charge pretty much. So we're gonna get that replaced maybe later today or tomorrow. For now, I have to drive it, so I'm gonna jump start it with that jumper box I have in the previous video. I ain't gonna show that again, but let's get that jump pretty much jump started and get the day started. Alright, so we got it started. Almost ready. There's a jump box right there. Alright, let's close this up and good to go. Beautiful morning here coming out today. It's a Sunday. Yeah. I don't know if you don't notice, but whenever I realize, I don't know, I guess different parts of the world might be different, but here in Georgia, it could be raining all week. And then once it get down to Sunday, it's sunny. Yesterday was bleaky, day before yesterday was bleaky, no rain where I'm at, but it was bleaky. But once it gets to Sunday, most Sundays out of the year, it's sun shining. Now isn't that something? I guess that's why them call it Sunday, or maybe that's why in the past our ancestors figure out that Sunday is always a sunny day. But I've realized that. I don't know about you guys, if you don't realize that Sunday is always a sunny day. So pretty much, you know, it's now 7:48 in the morning on a Sunday, which is nice and sunny. Yesterday was bleaky all day. It wasn't cold, but it was just gloomy. So now we have nice bright sunshine today. It's a nice day. It's kind of cool. It's not cold. Kind of cool. But yeah. Flip the screen. Anyhow, yeah, we're pretty much on our third day renovating this Salon Suite. We're almost done. We pretty much painted everything. We only have the floors to clean, fix a few tiles, touch up the cabinets. Those cabinets, the place I bought them from, it was painted cabinets. They didn't have them in black. So what they did was refinish them in black. But they're not too durable. They scratch easily. So I heard of another paint that's more durable. It's like an epoxy paint or something like so for cupboards. I'm not sure if it's really epoxy or whatever the case, but they said it's more durable. So I think we're gonna get them sanded and start testing those, because all the cabinets, whenever they chip or scratch, it's white underneath. So we're gonna try and find a more durable paint for that. So the cabinets we have to do, I finished painting all 4 walls. Hopefully it's good. We did a second coat last night. I didn't film that, but we did a second coat. So hopefully it's good enough and we don't have to do it over. Give it a third coat or touch-ups. So right now I only have the baseboards to do. I got the floors and the cabinets, and just clean it properly, clean the sink, stuff like that. The little hole in the side of the cabinet, I'm gonna cap that one. When I'm done with that room, then I have to move on to a smaller room. I'm gonna try and do daily rentals with that room, so we're gonna move on to that room, get that room ready. Right now I just store a bunch of furniture in there. I'm gonna get those furniture out and clean that room. I have it ready for like daily rentals. Yeah, so that's where we're at. But it's a Sunday morning, you know, got up real early, did some final editing, got up from like 6:30, 6 or 6:30, made me a cup of hot water. Pretty much we came out and started the van still battery no good, so we have to replace that either later today or tomorrow. I'm gonna get that replaced. We're going to head out now, or we're on our way. We're going to get rolling on the Salon Suite. I'm gonna try and knock it out real quick, see if we could, you know, have the other half of our Sunday to chill. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, so on Sunday there is no traffic. No traffic at 7:50 a.m. in the morning. Normally this road right here on a weekday, everybody going to work, is just crazy busy. Like traffic will be right here on this road right here. You know. So anybody familiar with this area might recognize what's going on right here. To the left we have Sugarloaf Mills, the mall. That road right in front of us, that's 85, north south 85. So I'm gonna kind of give you an idea of where we're at right here. We're right at the intersection, almost at Satellite and Sugarloaf Parkway. We're coming up to the Gas Out Arena. So this area right here is where the salon is at. It's literally on Sugarloaf and Satellite. It's at Sugarloaf Center. That's the name of the plaza. So all you guys who would like to rent a space, you know, or visit one of our professionals, you could, you know, swing by. Just look it up, Lifestyle Salon Suites. It's in Duluth. You can't really miss it. It's the only one in Georgia. Lifestyle Salon Suite. We're hoping to do more, but you know, for now it's only one location. So Gas South is on the left right here, and then on the right here you have Sugarloaf Center, which is where Lifestyle Salon Suite is. We're right beside Marlowe's Tavern, directly beside Marlowe's Tavern. So there's Marlowe's Tavern right there, and then we're right beside it. And then you have Firehouse Sub and Just Brunch. So that's Marlowe's Tavern right here at the corner. Whoever have been to Marlowe's. Then we got Lifestyle, and then we got Firehouse Sub, and then Just Brunch. You have a Mexican place coming beside Just Brunch, but pretty much that's a quick little tour of getting to the salon. We're in the back. We're in the back right now. So yeah, you have a bunch of hotels up on the top of the hill right there. Today's a Sunday, so you know it's brunch day. So in a minute, you know, it's gonna be crazy busy. Right now, Just Brunch is about to be open. They open at 8 o'clock. Lifestyle Salon is pretty much 24 hours. Anyone trying to get their services done, beauty services done, we're pretty much open 24 hours. Now the professionals that's in there, they might not work 24 hours, but they're able to pretty much enter the building and do, you know, whatever services they need any time of night or whatever. So the space is open 24 hours for the businesses that's open in there, but they might not be open 24 hours. So anyhow, we're here. We're gonna get inside and knock out the floors, knock out the floors, knock out the yeah, sorry about that. So we're gonna knock out the floors, knock out the cabinets, and clean the sinks. We're gonna knock that out real quick. Yeah, so they had a small car fire right here. If you notice, this patch is new. They changed the meters. It was a small car fire the other day. It started to melt everything, like the meters and everything. Hopefully it didn't catch the building on fire. Fire department was out real quick. But yeah, so we're here. This is the salon pretty much. So, you know, this is what we do. We end up checking the bathrooms, make sure the bathrooms are clean. See, we're gonna have to do the floors, you know, make sure the sink works. See how it's running real slow. I turned it down because whenever we turn the pipe up, it doesn't flow. As I said, the solenoid is getting weak, so when that water is pushing against that solenoid, it can't get to open. The solenoid can't pull the valve open because the water is pushing against it. So the solenoid is getting weak. The solenoid needs replacing. However, they don't want to sell that solenoid by itself. So I'm gonna have to pretty much change the whole thing. So yeah, 106 available for any professionals who would like to, you know, rent a space or lease a space. This room is the room we're working on. Let me just give you a quick walkthrough. Pretty much, this is what, you know, I don't know, people keep putting this. So this is what we do right here. You know, we clean the doors, you know, make sure there's no fingerprints right there. See how somebody be smoking all them cigarette butts out there. Make sure, you know, we have a lot of barbers, so if you notice, we gotta clean, vacuum the hair. Yeah, we have a lot of Alright, so pretty much walls came out pretty decent. There is some 1 and 2 little defects from prior damages, especially this wall. This wall had a lot of stuff on it, like it's not smooth. It's never gonna be smooth in here. On the walls, I patch it as best as I can, sand it out as best as I can, but this wall or these walls have been painted so many times and patched so many times over the years. It's hard. You'll never have a smooth wall. I mean, the professionals could probably get it back smooth I've seen where the mud the whole entire wall and then sand it smooth, or you rip these walls out, put new walls in if you want it smooth. But you know, I don't know if you could see it. There's always there's a bump right here. I could have probably take that, you know, scrape that down and sand it. Most of the times you're down to where the paper on the drywall, you have to peel that paper off and then fill it. But it's never gonna be smooth. Especially this wall, if you notice, see, it's a lot of indentations, and you know, I didn't do this. This wall, when we got it, we got this wall like that. So I just pretty much rock with it. Most times we always have a wash bowl right here, and then there's shelves or cabinets that's gonna go in front of this wall. So you know, you probably won't even notice it or see it. A lot of times the tenants will put paintings, pictures, you know, LED signs. They'll put, you know, small pictures and stuff on the wall, shelves, mirrors go on the wall sometimes. So when everything is in here, you don't even really notice the defects in the wall, pretty much. But for the most part, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? It's just when you go real close, you'll notice a few little things. See that? There's a little indentation right there. That's just from a previous fix. Every time I go and do one of these walls, I try to fix a previous fix, right? So, you know, if I'm in that area doing something and there's a bulge or a, you know, or a hole, I'll just fix it. So eventually maybe over time it'll get better and better. But for now, because we're always painting, you know, there's layers and layers of paint on these walls. Every time somebody move out, move in, we gotta put it back to white, or you know, they never ever want the same color. You know, as I said, from here on we only do one accent wall. This room we made an exception because it was a tenant that was here for a while. She just upgrading, so she wanted her room to look like what the previous room was, which is fine. We'll you know, bend the rules a little bit for some people who are here long, but for somebody who's just moving in, we're not doing that. We're just doing one accent wall. You could either do this wall, that wall, this wall, or you know, one of the 4 walls. And the reason for that is too many times we go all out, change color, full color change for them. We even go as far as change baseboard, not this, not the cabinets or the lights or the ceiling or the roof, but we have changed door color and baseboards, full color change, and they never started. They pay, you know, they pay for the lease for the first to get in and do all that work and just never started business. So now I have to go back and change everything back to white or to what the next person wants. It kind of sucks because we don't charge to paint the wall, you know, they get their paint, they buy their paint or buy whatever shelves, whatever they want to put in, we'll put it in for free. They pay a deposit, but it barely covers it because that little deposit is, you know, we're making holes, we're putting up stations on the wall sometimes. There's a lot of holes, they'll put hair dryers on the wall, so there's sometimes bigger holes in there. Paint, wallpaper they'll want in there. So a lot of times to remove all that stuff, it comes to more than $500, right? So it could be in the thousands if sometimes with damages and to repaint it, if I was to pay somebody to do it. Cases like those, I have to do it myself because then you end up losing out. You didn't even collect a first month rent or lease, so you kind of bite the bullet on that one. So long story short is that's why we don't have them change too much. We don't want them to change more than what the deposit is. That it'll cover when we have to put it back, or at the end of the lease, you know, you're leaving, we could, you know, purchase paint, you know, whatever materials we need to change that room back or fix the holes or the damages. Sometimes the floors get messed up, we have to change floors. Luckily with these floors, they're kind of durable now that we use them. We've had them over a year now. It's just peel and stick floors. But what's good about them, if this section is damaged, we have extras, we just take this section out and peel and stick and put new ones in. With a laminate, you won't be able to. It's hard to change just a section. You could, but you have to rip up a bunch of them because they're interlocking, right? Interlocking with laminate. With real wood, forget it. With tile, forget it. If something's damaged or broken, you have to cut that tile out and redo it. The process is too long. With this, I could change this within 2 seconds. Literally 1, 2, peel this up and stick another one in 2 seconds. A lot of time you'll have chemical spill. One of my other videos I had a chemical spill. So you'll have a spill where it damages these 2 pieces right here, right? With that, I could just come in even while they have a client. We could fix that. You know, that's how quick it is. So we tend to use these floors because, you know, it's easily replaceable and cost effective. It's not too expensive. The floors in the hallways, however, those are laminates because, you know, you want something that's a little bit more durable and looks better. So we have those out there. So as far as the room, it's painted. I haven't spoken to the tenant, see if she sees it, but hopefully she likes it. If not, and I guess if she insists and doesn't like it, then we'll have to change the color again. Normally I don't do all that changing. You gotta make sure you want it before we put it on there. But as I said, this tenant is it's a good tenant that we had for a while. So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna do the baseboards now, paint the baseboards black. I'm gonna touch up this until I find the right paint to do it over. But we're gonna touch it up. The top is pretty much good. It's nice, looking nice. It's just the bottom one, see, it has chips. So anybody know of a paint that we could sand these and paint them and it's more durable? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know the paint. I've been Googling to try to find something, but maybe I should go to the paint store. But yeah, we're gonna do the baseboards next. Touch the door, retouch the doors, clean the chandeliers, clean the vents. Yeah, the vents might be dirty, so I'm gonna clean the vents. Put the covers back on. Install the intercom, install the switch covers, and we should be good to go. Stay tuned. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, clean the hallways, clean the front kiosk, the fingerprints from the front kiosk. I'm gonna get all that done and then come back and work on these. Alright guys, so we cleaned the bathroom. Bathrooms are clean. Sinks. See this thing? The new one's coming in today, so hopefully we could solve that problem. The reason why it's running low because I turned it down pretty much. When it's high, sometimes it doesn't work. So we cleaned the bathrooms. Moving on to the hallways. Hallways are clean. What we do is vacuum the air mats already. Laundry room. It's pretty decent. Normally we have to clean like the fingerprints off of this thing. So I'm gonna come in, somebody's using it now, so I'm just gonna clean the glass, clean the washers later on. We got a microwave, I'm gonna clean that. Pretty much that's what we do. Our lint basket needs to be emptied. Alright, so we did all our moldings, clean all our moldings, so I'm gonna paint them now. And then the door is in pretty good shape. I just gotta touch up on the outside a little bit. Got some watermarks right there. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got all the floor moldings done, painted black, pretty much. We're ready to put the switch covers on, the switch and the plug. And then once we get that done, we can move on to the floors, start taking all these things out, and then we move to the floors. We did the cabinets, touch up on the cabinets as well. As I said, I need to figure out something more permanent, more durable paint for the cabinets. Right now I just touch them up, but they're gonna scratch up again. So I just gotta keep touching them up until we figure out how to paint them more durable. Yeah. But yeah, let's take a look. It's pretty much coming along. Still gotta clean that paint. I'm gonna clean it right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, so all the switch covers are on. Switch covers and plugs are on. Hooked up the monitor. All the plugs, covers, molding painted, cabinets good. I gotta do it right here. Yeah. But yeah, almost done. So now we're just gonna clean all these things out and then do the floors. And once we do the floors, then we should be good to go. As far as them moving in. I know she has a platform. She does nails, so she has a platform to put right here where she put her chair and her bowl on. Our desk is probably gonna go somewhere right here. I don't know what she's gonna do over here, but pretty much she got some kind of either LED light or a flower arrangement to go on the wall. I don't know if it's that side or this side, but yeah. All right, floors next. All right, so as far as the floors, we're separating. We'll use to stop it from. To stop it from moving, we just put a little bit of trim adhesive strip and then relay the tiles with the gaps closed. Pretty much that's all we did to take care of that side. I gotta get another can. Yeah. So that's what I was saying, using this type of laminate peel and stick, it's much nicer. It's much easier to use these, because when you use these, if there's a damage, we just, you know, pick up that one, put a new one in, and you're good to go. So let's do this one. I gotta get new one more. This is so. Pretty much that's how that works. Let's see. And now the gaps are closed. This one needs to move over a little bit, but I'll just wait. There's a platform going over here, so I just gotta clean it and then put the platform right here. Pretty much a platform is going right here. She had a platform in the other room, so this area gonna be covered anyway with a platform. See, the gaps are pretty much better now down there. So yeah. Okay, so we're pretty much good to go. Floors are clean, baseboard painted, you know, all the switches are back up, switch covers are back on, cabinets in good shape, walls done, full color change. Still have to close those gaps on those right there, but I'll come back and do that tomorrow. It's a Sunday, so we're not pressure ourselves on a Sunday, but turned out pretty good. Turned out real good. That's the view outside. Nice day today. Barber's working today. The hairdresser is working today. It's a Sunday, so not much people in today, but pretty much we got everything cleaned. Laundry included. Laundry in the laundry. Pretty much that's a wrap for Sunday. I'll go take a break now, get something to eat. Do some housework. Work on the lawn, maybe pick out some weeds. It don't need cutting, but grass on the front need cutting. Lawn guy never show up, so I think I might go out there and cut that. Oh, and we have to change the battery in the van. But everything looks good. We're waiting on the sink. We're waiting on the faucet for that right there. We're gonna change it. The solenoid not too good. It's not working. So yeah, pretty much everything is good. This room's still empty. If anyone wants a room 106, that room's empty. Good to go. So this nail tech right here, she's the one who's gonna move over into a bigger space down there. So sometime this week she's gonna move over. Pretty much I'm gonna have to make a new door decal for the other door up there. Every time they move, we gotta make new decals. They can't come off, so we'll have to make new door decal for that door. And then this room is gonna be available. Both rooms gonna be available. 106 and 107. We have a nail tech supposed to be looking at it, so hopefully she takes it. So I have a little storeroom back here, and I gotta paint this door. It's been scratched up, beat up. This is the back door. So tomorrow I'm gonna paint this door and probably put like a stainless steel facing on it. That way, you know, it don't get scratched up and messed up. But every time I paint it, scratch up. You know, when people in and out this door more than the front door, all the tenants tend to use this door as opposed to the front door. Everything is coded, so they don't need no key. They just, you know, put their code in and come on in. Pretty much that's what it is. Temperature, we're trying to keep it 72. It was real cold when we put it at 70. It gets real cold in here, so we drop the temperature to see if it's better. They were saying it's super cold at 70, so I just dropped the temperature a little bit. It's nice outside today. Yeah, so I got my jump box. Still didn't change the battery in the van. We're going to do that later today or tomorrow, pretty much. But we have to jump the van. So that's it for the salon. Alright, so as I say, it's a Sunday, so just brunch. Got, you know, a lot of brunchers in there. People outside waiting. Parking lot filled. It's a Sunday. A lot of brunchers. People tend to brunch a lot on Sundays. So yeah, parking lot filled. We have another restaurant coming in this plaza. I don't know what they're gonna do about parking, but parking in the front is filled, parking in the back is filled. So we'll see how that works out when all three open at the same time. Yeah. So yeah, just a little tour. We're leaving the salon. We're done for the day. It's now 11 o'clock, which is good time. I got here early, like 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, I think. So we're done with the salon for the day, pretty much. Yeah. So we're, as I said, Lifestyle is right on Sugarloaf and Satellite Boulevard. We just drove out. So to the right over there, you have the Gas South Arena, Gas South District. A lot of events go on over there daily, weekly. Behind us, you have a lot of hotels. Even on the Gas South side, you have a lot of hotels. So this area is pretty much a good area in terms of traffic. Real busy. We got Chick-fil-A right there over the corner right there. A lot of corporate on this road. So like maybe like 3 miles in front of us and 3 miles behind us, you have corporate, just corporate, all corporate businesses. To the left and to the right, those roads up there, you have residential. So this area is pretty much filled with corporate on one road, and then the two road running parallel to this road, it's residential. So it's a pretty busy area. They've been building more and more over by the Gas South Arena. See, they call it Gas South District. So they have a rooftop bars and stuff like that over there, and they're still building. So I'm assuming it's gonna be even more busy once they finish over there. Behind us, right beside the salon, they're building another hotel. I don't know what it was. I think it was a Holiday Inn or something. I don't know, but they're building another hotel over there. So you know, it's a pretty busy area. And then we got the mall, Sugarloaf Mills Mall, right on the other side of this highway right here. pretty good area. Middle to upper class area. Yeah. So well, technically upper class area. This ain't middle class. Right here on Sugarloaf, it's pretty much an upper class. It's all $1 million homes over there on Sugarloaf Country Club. To the right we have Lifetime Fitness over there. More hotels to the left. And by the way, it might look like it's all woods and bushes, but this is how Georgia is. Anybody not from Georgia, you won't understand. But behind all those bushes is always residential or corporate. So we turn it into Sugarloaf Mills now. So this is Sugarloaf Mills Mall in Duluth. So see, we got the theaters, we got Bass Pro Shop, we got Ross, Medieval Times. We got a nice little restaurant right here, Mexican restaurant. It's really good. Pepe's. Pepe's Bar and Grill. They sell real good food. Anybody in the area, come check them out. So we just driving on the back part of the mall right here. I just drove over here to show you how close we are to the mall from Lifestyle. We got the movie theaters back here. We got medieval times. Medieval times is like a dinner and medieval show, live show with people on horses and stuff like that. Nice show. You could come check it out. I mean, Google it. Medieval times. They serve like half a chicken, you know, like how they would do it back in the medieval times. We got Dave and Buster's over there in that mall. Bunch of things. So we in a pretty high traffic area. I just drove back there just to let you guys see what's going on. Going back on Sugarloaf. Yeah, so I mean, that's, you know, this is part of my day, every day. Life every day, you know. We always got something going on. I have things doing every day, pretty much. I got more stuff to do, but you can't just work all day, every day, 7 days a week. You have to take some breaks in between. So that's what I'm doing now, taking some breaks in between, taking a break here, and then later on, you know, I have some videos to edit. And also I'm working on a new project. I ain't gonna say nothing yet, but once, you know, I get those footage going, then I'll let you guys know. But I have a new project coming up, so I have to be doing a lot of research and, you know, more research and paperwork just to get that going. So you know, we'll wrap up this video for the day. If I have anything else for the evening time, you know, me chilling at home or doing something, as I said, I'm trying to video from the time I get up in the morning, what I do throughout the day. Most of this video was just all salon work. Tomorrow it might be some other work. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna help the tenant move over to the next room if she wants to. She have all week this week to move over. I'll help out there. Another tenant needs a TV to be installed, put up on the wall, so we're gonna mount that TV for her. And then I have some outside work to do, counting with the county and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this video for now. Might be a little bit more. I might just show you what we eat for lunch or something. But yeah, I might add some lunch clips to this. because it is pretty much what I do in a day. So you saw when I got up, you saw when I started the van, saw when, you know, I head out, saw when I got to the salon. Pretty much I'm gonna try cover everything that I do throughout the day. You know, sometimes it might just be just getting gas, going to the corner store, buying lotto. I'm gonna try and film everything, my life, every day, to put out there and see, you know, just see what happens. I'm new to this YouTube thing. We're trying to, you know, turn it into something. I really like the vlogging thing, so, you know, I just never did it over the years. So I really, bear with me if it's not professional, you know, it's not edited right. I'm just doing whatever. So, you know, the audio might not be good. I'm trying to get a mic. I'm trying to get a mic, so we'll have better audio. Sometimes you hear the background noises from the fan. Sometimes I'm gonna get me a mic, and I'm trying to get me a dedicated camera. Right now I'm using my phone. The quality is, you know, I would say the quality is good, but I'm trying to get a better dedicated camera. You know, a vlogging camera, like a smaller handheld vlogging camera. That way, you know, it's in my hand or on a mount all the time. But right now I'm just using my phone, so I think it's pretty good. I'll let it rock for now, but I'm gonna get me a mic. 1 and 2 comments, somebody had said that they can't hear me, then, you know, I need to get a mic. So I know I have to get a mic. It's picking up all sorts of background noises. So yeah, I should have cut this video. I'm gonna cut it up because I don't want to. Well, I'm nowhere near home, but yeah, pretty much I'm gonna break it up so that you guys don't see where I live or how to get to my house. For some reason, somebody might want to pay me a visit. So anyway, we check back in later on, guys. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day here in Georgia. Nice and warm. Sun is out. finish up all of the work down by the salon, so just a chill. It's a Sunday evening. Came home and made some lunch. Eat. Just in the backyard chilling, you know? Nice day, look. Nice day. Yeah. Probably go by the park later. Oh, I want to check out a camera. A new camera. So I'll probably go by Best Buy. Check that out. See if they have any in stock. I think we'll forget the Pocket 3. DJI Pocket 3. It comes with the mic and everything. Some really good reviews on it, so I'm gonna give it a try and see. Pick out this weeds in the grass. I spread the weed and feed, but I don't think that start work yet. We'll give it some time to start work. Yeah. Overall, the land look, check it. Just need more water. Need some rain. Later on, when it cool down, probably give it some water. Try get it nice and green and fluffy, you know. Can play some golf around at the side there, so pretty much. Yeah. But yeah, it's a nice day as usual. Nice day. Yeah. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end off the day today. I mean, there's not much. Maybe I'm gonna do some grilling in the evening. Put some corn on the grill. 2 salmon burger. You know, when I eat meat, probably put some salmon burger on the grill. And drink 2 beer. Chill for the day. Tomorrow is another day. We have a full day tomorrow. The pipe, the faucet came in for the salon, so we're gonna put in the faucet tomorrow morning. We finished the room for the girls, so if she wants to move in tomorrow, she can move in tomorrow or this week. Pretty much. What else? As I say, I have some county of stuff for the tomorrow. So sometime tomorrow morning. So for the rest of the day, I might just go by Best Buy real quick and then come back and throw some corn on the grill. Yeah, and then call it a Sunday, easy Sunday. We're not really do nothing much today. Chill out a little bit, you know. Anyhow, let me see what else I can show in this vlog. I edit most of it already. I just wait for the day to finish out so that I can add in whatever else I do throughout the day. Yeah. Ooh, that camera look good. It looks nice outside when you're outside. Yeah. But definitely it's still early Sunday, probably about 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So I wait for the day for run out so I can close out this vlog, post it tonight. Where I try to do a vlog every day, every single day. Ooh, we'll shave up and look better than this. Look rough. Or maybe make it stay. Anyhow, let's see what else we can show in another vlog. We're on the hunt for the DJI Pocket 3. Yeah, so that place was sold out. It was Micro Center. They didn't show the availability online, but pretty much I'm trying to hit up all them electronic stores before, because it's the same price. $669 for the creator combo. It's the same price. DJI, the stores everywhere have it for the same price. You ain't gonna get it cheaper. You might get it for more. Some places mark it up some more, but Best Buy, all of them, I guess DJI has it to where it has to sell for $669 for the creator combo. So I checked with Micro Center sold out, Marietta store sold out. I'm on my way to Best Buy. It's down the street right now, so I'm gonna head over to Best Buy and see if they got it in stock. If no one have it in stock around here, I'll just order it online and wait. I was trying to get it so we could start using it for tomorrow. Using the phone right now, I'm using my phone. It's nice and clean and clear, but it's just big to hold in my hand. You know, if I put a stick on it, it's just too big. I need something small where we could, you know, easily shows real good quality and has a mic. I would have to buy a mic to hook up to the phone, but yeah, I think I researched most of these cameras. There's not much. It's either not much choices. It's either the Insta360, the GoPro, or the DJI. Or DJI has a GoPro one similar to the GoPro, which is waterproof, but this one is more of a handheld in a pocket. You ain't gotta put it on a stick. It's already on a stick. It has a built-in gimbal that's attached to everything. It's one piece, so and it's quite small. So out of all of them, I think this would be the best one. The other thing is it gives us the capability of just switching. You know how we film for Instagram, or we do shorts, or it's like you just flip the screen and it changes from horizontal to vertical, right? So you with the phone, I would have to stop recording and then turn the phone, you know, vertical in order to switch from YouTube to Instagram. You know what I'm saying? To film for Instagram, I gotta, you know, stop recording, start recording, switch the phone. So it's just a hassle, because I do both. I film for YouTube, which I'm starting up, and then I film for Instagram, for the, you know, the stuff I'll be posting on Instagram for lifestyle. So it only makes sense. That one been through, searched through a couple of cameras, and that one seems to have the best reviews and all of that, and you know, functionality and all of that. So we pretty much here at Best Buy's. So yeah, so you see how I had to hit that button. Right now I'm holding, I don't have the phone on a stick, so yeah, I gotta hold it in the palm of my hand with my little pinky holding up the phone, switching between front camera, back camera. The next thing is, if you notice, I'm looking that way. I'm not looking in the camera, I'm looking that way, because when you hold the phone sideways, the camera is way to the left, so you tend to look at the phone, the screen yourself, and not looking at the camera. With the Pocket 3, the camera is right above the screen, so it's like once you look at that screen, it's gonna make you think I'm looking at the screen, at the lens, and not the screen, right? So, you know, there's a lot of advantages with the Pocket 3. Let's buy. Let's park, go inside and check it out. So let me see if they have it in stock. I'll get back with the vlog if they have it. Alright, so I found it. Not sure if they got it in stock though, but that's pretty much it. So that's the creator kit. Yeah, so make a trip to a local farm market. Namdemun. Go grab some leg quarters. $6.99. Can't beat that. £10. Well, I don't eat chicken and I don't eat pork. I don't eat meat, right? Me eat seafood, but I don't eat meat. So, me's actually a chef too as well. So I chef up some jerk chicken. Every now and then I just jerk up some chicken and give it away, so that people can taste it, you know, and pretty much me kind of stay sharpen up my skills, them keep in tune with the flavors, you know what I say? So every now and then I buy a piece of pork, buy a piece of chicken and chef it up. And I me eat it still. Me eat it to friends and family, you know what I say? But I still cook it. I will cook it. Jerk chicken and them thing there. Yeah, so now it's still Sunday. Still up on the same vlog. Let me see what time. It's now 6:30. So I'm still there road, still a chef up some things in the evening, you know. I go put some corn and piece of salmon for myself on the grill. The chicken I might not cook it today, but I might season it up and make it soak for a couple of days. Marinate, you know. But yeah, we still continue with the vlogs for the day. I went to pretty much Micro Center to try to get the camera. I go Best Buy, nobody had it in stock. It's sold out. Apparently this camera is a hot camera, so everybody I buy it. Funny thing is I don't see anybody with one. So much of them myself, but I don't see nobody with one. I use it. I guess I'm not in a tourist area to see people that use camera, but them sold out. So pretty much I probably just buy it directly from DJI or Best Buy. Best Buy say for order it, it will come in May 6. Today April 28th. So couple days, a week or so. So me see how long DJI will take to send it. So still up on the vlog. The day not done yet. As I said, I try to do full day vlog when I do all day, pretty much from I wake up what I do, you know, the whole day till when I'm ready to go on my bed, or you know, evening time, you know, where nothing else not going on. But pretty much this is how I do vlog live every day. You wouldn't believe the amount of things one person would have doing a day. For a regular person, not only me, but just for a mother or a father, where get up, get kids together. If them should have document that, yo, a whole heap of footage that. Like, just imagine a mother hold and wind up the window. You see, that's why I need mic and them thing. The nice are making a background probably. Yeah. So if you're a mother, like a mother, you know, whether you're single or you're married or you know, fiance or whatever, boyfriend, just imagine a mother or a father who have to get up and get kids together, make breakfast, or don't make breakfast, but get them together for school before you go to work. So you have to get them together, get them kids together, get them dressed, you know, brush them teeth, whether them bathe in the morning or don't bathe in the morning, but get them ready. All of that you have to do in the morning. Make sure everything back, school bag pack, all of them something there. Lunch if you ever give them lunch, all of them something there. Get them ready, drop them off a bus at the corner for the bus, or take them to school. All of that you have to do before you go to work. Right? So you know if you while you do that, you know if you get ready yourself. I put yourself together, do all of them something, the tea, coffee, whatever, get, clothes together and all them something, right, for work. Now, me do all of that already in my life where 2 kids me have, so, I say they're much bigger now, but me did have to do all of that. But just imagine, have to do all of that and vlog it, document all of that. It's a lot of things from you go to work, you have to do the people them work, come home, go pick up kids, or I say help them with school work, wash up dishes, wash clothes, prepare dinner, or if you're not prepare dinner, go buy dinner. You see me I say? For a regular person, we work 9 to 5 or work for themselves. Worse if them even work for themselves. The amount of things them have to go up on the road, go do in a short space of time before then go back for them kids or go home at evening time. A whole heap of things. So me decide say me go vlog some of that. Me don't have no kids to get ready and all them things no more. Them much older now. My daughter 27-year-old, so me not have to worry about that. The other one at 13, 14. So me not have to worry about them. You understand? Where I have to get them ready and do all of those things. However, me still have a whole heap of things to do in the day. Like just do this, do that, do this for the salon. You know me I say? Other little things where me I do. It's just a lot, for do. So, me will try to vlog that my life every day. You understand? I wouldn't even want to see some of them. Well, you have YouTubers out there now who do all of that, from kids and drop off of school, do all of that. I see them. But hats off to them, because a whole heap of work, as I say, I have to do it, at some point for a couple of years, put kids to bed and do all them something there, make milk, all sorts of things. So, pretty much I just saw it go, one of them things there. But anyway, we are come to an end of the day still. Me about to go back home and now chef up some corn and some salmon and season up this chicken and something. So I might show on a little bit of that when me season up the meat. But yeah, just that me have left for them. And then the vlog can close out tonight. Me finish edit it up, put in them clips, yeah. And then I know it's gonna be about an hour or something. I mean, I don't have to stay tuned and watch it, but watch most of it. Who now watch it are not interested, just make it play. You don't even have to watch it. Just click on it and make it play, please. And hit a little subscribe on the thing so that me can grow the channel. Me I try right now. I just 83 or 80 something followers me have, subscribers. Let's see if me can do this thing consistent every day. Let's see if within the next month or 2 months me can at least get 1,000 subscribers. Me need the 1,000 so me not grow on the corner. Me need to get it monetized. I mean, me I do this as a fair income as well, just like everybody else. So at the end of the day, who want to support and watch the thing, just go and watch the thing. Who don't want to watch it or not like it, who can easy well just not subscribe. You know what I say? Who can watch it and whatever you want to do out there. If you don't want to do negative feedback, comment negative. You understand? Everything welcome. At least you now watch it. You understand? As me say, who know like when me I do on something, you can just skip to your favorite YouTuber. But right now, me I try a thing. Me only got 83 subscribers, so me I try a thing. We'll see if the next 2 months or 3 months, if me consistent, if me can get 1,000 and get monetized, so that me can pay for gas for a drive around and show on all these things, and you don't know what the YouTube thing set up already. People have to get monetized so that them can spend money for make content. We can't do our work. I put money in a YouTube for go places and do these things and now make no money off of it. All these people who say I travel all over the world so you can watch them and do all of that. That's how them earn a living. That's how them make our money. When you guys subscribe and watch the commercial and everything, that's how them make money, to my understanding. So just do the right thing and hit the subscribe and like up the thing, share the thing. You see me I say? As me say, this is just a little bit different. It's just a life everyday thing for me. Or day in the life, some people call it, but me I call it life every day, you know? Anyhow, I'm about to reach home now, so I'm gonna chef up some chicken.